Nairobi Governor Mike Mbuvi Sonko is challenging the assertion by the National Lands Commission that the disputed land where Drive-In Primary and Ruaraka Secondary are is private land.
Sonko says the land belongs to the public and he will protect it from any illegal acquisition. This comes a day after Mohamed Swazuri affirmed his early stand that the land is private and no illegality was committed in compensation.
The plot thickens as two key stakeholders take divergent positions on the disputed Ruaraka land, while Sonko narrows down to the 13.5 acres of land where Drive-In Primary and Ruaraka Secondary schools sit as public land. The National Lands Commission maintains that the schools sit on private land. On Wednesday, Mohamed Swazuri once more justified the 1.5 billion shilling compensation, citing ownership of the land, adding that he would not resign.
We are here to do our work. These cowards only who resign. We are here. Mimi niko hapa. Hamnitoi wala hamwezi kulifanya lolote.
Education Cabinet Secretary Ambassador Amina Mohamed, while appearing before the Senate's Public Accounts Committee, said the schools acquired the land unprocedurally, hence the reason there is no title to the land.
It is unusual, but it's not completely outside the processes that are used from time to time.
While appearing before the same committee, Lands Cabinet Secretary Farida Karune said the two schools risk eviction since they did not possess valid title deeds.
They disagreed with the Department of Planning at City Hall, and the subdivision never went through. And that is how the land is still private land.
But the owner of the land told journalists that the land was never surrendered to the government since the original deed plan was cancelled after he realized some people were out to grab it from him. He also claims no deed of surrender exists since he did not undertake the projects on the land that would have necessitated surrender. Parliament, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission and the Directorate of Criminal Investigations are investigating the matter. Ken Mijungu, NTV.